Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix to change store. You must first cancel your Apple Music subscription on your iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you are having any issue or a pop-up, that you must have to cancel your Apple Music subscription before you change your store. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So the first thing, you have to make sure that you are not subscribed to Apple Music or anything else. So open your settings and here go for Apple ID and then go for subscriptions, and here you just have to make sure that you are not subscribed to anything or you haven't any subscription here, or if you find any subscription, so try to unsubscribe them, because sometimes it might be that your subscriptions are enabled and you have some subscriptions, so you cannot change store. So you have to unsubscribe or delete the subscription from here, especially Apple Music. So once you have done, so it will almost fix your issue. But if you are still having the same issue, so you have to make some settings of a very first thing. You have to make sure that you are connected to a strongest internet connection, and then you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. Open settings, go for general, go for transfer or reset iPhone, and here select reset network settings and enter your passcode. It will reset all of your network setting. It will not delete your data. So you can easily try this step, and then go for VPN and device management. You have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected, and then they have to go to iPhone storage, and you have to make sure that you have enough storage, or if you don't have enough storage, so you have to make sure that you have up to 10 GB free here. So if you don't have, you just have to delete anything from your iPhone. So once you have done, so it will almost fix your issue. So in this way you can easily fix how this to change stores. You must have to first cancel your Apple Music subscription. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.